One of the things we love most about the fertility community is that every family building journey is unique. Some people are using donor sperm to grow their family. Whether you're a single mother by choice, part of an LGBTQ+ family, or simply pursuing parenthood in your own way, donor sperm has helped countless people build the families they've dreamed of. Others are navigating the emotional ups and downs of trying to conceive month after month. The cycle of hope, waiting, disappointment, and trying again can be exhausting. If you've experienced TTC burnout, you're certainly not alone. Some individuals face medical conditions or high levels of stress that can make intercourse difficult or painful. Conditions such as erectile dysfunction, vaginismus, and other reproductive health challenges are more common than many people realize, and they can create additional obstacles on the path to parenthood. Others face physical barriers that can make traditional conception more complicated. Every journey is different, and every intended parent deserves access to options that fit their unique circumstances. That's why Mosie was designed to provide a simple, comfortable, and private option that can be used at home. Many people appreciate having a solution that feels approachable and provides more control over their fertility journey. Whether you're using donor sperm, navigating fertility challenges, or simply looking for an option that fits your lifestyle, Mosie is designed to support you where you are today. Many people appreciate the privacy, flexibility, and comfort that come with being able to complete this important step in the comfort of their home on their own schedule.